morning everyone, my name is Shweta Shivakumar and I am a director at Vignesh Polymers India Private Limited. I now request Mr. R.B. Shivakumar, founder and managing director at Vignesh Polymers, to deliver the welcome address.
The occasion marks a historic milestone in the journey of Vignesh Polymers with the groundbreaking of our air conditioner division, our 10th factory unit at SIPCOT Industrial Park in Sriperumbudur. Since its founding in 2005, Vignesh Polymers has grown into one of South India's leading integrated manufacturers, serving diverse sectors including white goods, home appliances, automotive and electric mobility. Over the past 3 years, we have been proud to collaborate with Blue Star, and today we take this partnership into a new phase. The new facility will be state-of-the-art, fully integrated air conditioning plant, bringing together injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, heat extinguisher and copper tubing lines, EPS packaging, as well as production of BLDC motors, propeller fans and cross-flow fans. In future, we will also manufacture commercial refrigeration products such as deep freezers, water coolers and VC coolers, reaffirming our commitment to innovation, excellence and global quality standards. Together, let us look forward to build not just a world-class factory unit, but a future of continued growth and collaboration. Thank you, and once again, a warm welcome to all.
I request our chief guest, Mr. Mohit sir, to come share a few words with us.
First of all, I think congratulations to Vignesh Polymer and Shiva sir for really astounding achievement. So I think let's hear a round of applause for him. Sir, I think it's a great matter of honor to be here to represent Blue Star. But I think the bigger honor is the fact that an entrepreneur like you has made such big strides. The fact that this is your 10th production site and in just 20 years is something that I think this country needs to be proud of, and Blue Star is really honored to be a valued partner to you. So I think thank you for that. You were the ones who believed in us, and when we set up the Shri City factory, when there was no other supplier, you were the first supplier to actually establish yourself there. So I think it's a journey that we have done together, and therefore when we see Vignesh Polymer grow, I think it fills our heart with pride. It makes us feel good about the fact. And I think you've really set the benchmark for other vendors and suppliers across the country. So I think one of the things that Nityanand also does is tell other suppliers and vendors that the benchmark for quality and partnership is actually Vignesh Polymers. So I think, sir, thank you for being that beacon of quality, and we hope to continue our partnership for many, many years and many, many decades. So congratulations to everyone, and hopefully this is the start of another great decade for Vignesh Polymers.
Thank you, Mohit sir, for the warm words. I now invite our MD, Mr. R.B. Shivakumar, to honor our esteemed guests. Our distinguished guests to light the lamp.
सुवर्णरजस्रजां चन्द्रां हृण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं रामस्वं पुरुषानहम् अश्वपूर्वामृतमध्यामस्तिनादप्रबोधिनी श्रियं देवीमुपह्वये श्रीर्मा देवीषु सदाम्
request our distinguished guests to step outside to plant some tree saplings.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we have come to the end of the grand groundbreaking ceremony of the RAC plant. First of all, I thank the entire Blue Star team to make this event happen. I thank Mr. Mohit Sood sir, Group President, for having come on a very busy day, and thank you very much, sir. I thank Mr. Nityanand, Executive VP, Procurement and SCM. Generally, he is busy 25 hours in a day, and for him to find time today, really we are thankful to you, sir. And I thank Mr. Manish Malhotra, VP Procurement and SCM, for having come. Thank you very much, sir. We are in touch with Mr. Sudhir, who is always supportive to us, for having come. Thank you very much, sir. And I thank Mr. Bijal Naik, Mr. Naveen Kumar, who could not make today, and Mr. Kulin Bankar, QA Head. Thank you very much, sir. Mr. Saranamuttu, Manager Procurement and SCM, thank you very much for gracing the occasion. My thanks to our banker, Mr. Satyaban Behra, Zonal Head, Union Bank of India, Chennai, and his team from Union Bank for having graced the occasion. I thank our founder and managing director, Mr. R.B. Shivakumar, who is the pillar behind all this progress in moving ahead with the Vignesh Polymers family. Thank you very much, sir. And my thanks to Sujata ma'am, Director Vignesh Polymers, and my thanks to Sweta ma'am, Director Vignesh Polymers, and our technological partner, Mr. David from eOcean, China, who has come all the way from China to be present here on this occasion. And I thank Mr. David and also your entire eOcean team. And we really have a very engaging year ahead to make this entire project successful. Individually and collectively, my thanks goes to one and all on behalf of all the family of Vignesh Polymers employees.